So we are going to continue from where we stopped, right? I actually made the reference. I put the reference on my other screen. If you have a different screen from your laptop, you can put it to desktop and put it there. But if you don't have, you can actually put this. Let me take this up like this. Actually do it like this, so you can toggle it on and off. You can let me increase the opacity like this. You can toggle it off and off so you can see it. So I can just come to this part and then make a new layer on it. Then I'll now clip it so I can shade it there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use these colors. I've already picked this color here. Then I'll pick my brush. I'll come to the airbrush, this soft airbrush, and make it hard. This is from here, you can make it hard. And also brush density and others, you can tweak it to your likeness. So we're going to shade like how we did this particular one. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking at from my reference, I'm looking at it now. So I'm going to start by getting the eyes. So I'll also use this brush here so that I can make those lines flat. So the lasso selection tool is M. I use M for it. Then I can use the soft airbrush from here. You can just take it softly. Like this. In this part. I can also use it to my advantage, lasso to most of the time to my advantage. Select parts like this part here. I can just select it like this. So that if I use my soft airbrush, if I paint it, I can be able to put the depth I want to a particular place and not messing everything up, and to help my work to be faster. So something like this, then I can. And so if I have any problem here, I'll use my eraser tool. I made a mistake and selected this color. Eraser, select. While you do, keep in mind you're watching your reference, so you don't make mistake over the time search. So I have something like this. I can just define this place like from the reference. My soft airbrush from here. And use the blend tool here, so you can be able to blend it together. If you have a problem with the colors, let me set it. Take And I'll just come to this part and then liquid the layer like this. You can see I have more depth to it, but I don't want something so much, then I'll reduce it. I can make a layer on it so that I can shade the darker tone. I'll not select this darker tone here. Then I'll now come close. Yeah. Why do you need darker tones? Be checking your reference as always so you don't make mistakes. So like this, like I said, want to make it shine from the former video, you just make something like a dot there, something like this. So for the lips, let me add more depth to this part. So I'm going to use this brush. Then to add more depth here. You can use any brush that you want. Like there's nothing like a particular part of art that you maybe says that you must use this type of brush. There's nothing like that. So if I want to add more glue to it, I can add. And then if you see the glue is much, you can always use your blend to blend it together. So to get add more depth to it. This part, like I said, if you have any issue, you can go back. This dead part, I'll just go and clean it. Yeah. I think something like this. I'll make it like this. So for the lips, I'll go to the lips back. Instead of like you can actually draw on the same layer, right? Like we actually did before. But then if you draw on the same layer, you actually set yourself up. But because if you want to see something, you can't. Well, most of the times I do just do on the same layer. So what I'm going to do is on the layer of the lips, like this, alright. I'm going to click here, lock transparent pixels. So it will lock the layer so that it's not draw anywhere apart from only the layer. It's just like making a layer on top and then clipping it. But it's fine. You just draw on the same place. So I'm going to select. Let me bring my palette to the screen here. So I'm going to select the color that I want. Let's go with this one. Then, sorry. Okay, I'm on the eraser brush. Sorry, like this. Then like this. definitely detail before, so I'm doing a bit of detail. Just show you that you can use a brush that you want. You must not use a particular one. About something like this. So something like this for the lips is actually okay. Channel activity can actually always change color or any time that you want. So okay, I've come in. Let me add some more stylized parts to it. Let's see this part. Again, a bit more stylized. Give me time to draw it. Also, you can actually add highlight to this part, but if you want to add it, I think you should make it on another layer so that in case you try to change it or you want to change the color or something like that, then you can always do it. Search for. I think I'm trying to use brushes that are not that far. Let me see. You can actually use this pastel. Or wait, let me see. Okay, let me use the pastel. Let me use the pastel brush. This one here. See here. I need to interact. Okay. I think the pastel brush will work. Okay, it's real. Well, it's real. All this is to just get so that you can just get an idea with scenario we're doing there and do with. So I think that's really easy because it's more dynamic another layer on it. And something like this. I think I'm not doing this. It should actually help you to actually learn some stuff and you are going to add to your workflow. You can just subscribe to my channel and then like this video. I think that's the end of the for this part of the course. The next part of the course we are going to do, I'm going to keep giving videos, so I'm going to say just subscribe and like this first. You can actually share it to other people so they can actually see it. Right? Thank you and see you in the next video. Yeah.